Madeline, what month is your birthday?
August.
August. What month is Zachary's birthday?
I don't know.
You don't know? You know.
October.
No, who's in October?
October.
Yeah, what month is Zachary?
I don't know.
You don't know. Whose birthday is in January?
Connie.
No, hers is in December. Who's in January? Yeah, it's Auntie Miss Linda. How about September?
I don't know. For Zachary.
No, Zachary is April.
April for Zachary.
Yeah. What about September? Who's after your birthday? Yours is August, then it's September. Who's after you?
I don't know.
It's Daddy's birthday in September. What about Mommy's birthday? What month is Mommy's birthday?
I don't know.
You don't know.